Vinny. So this is Hugo and Enzo. Obviously we're just watching this play. This is beautiful play, but Enzo's a big dog. So we just need to check that Hugo is happy with this because he's only a pup, although he's quite a big pup. He's encouraging it, which is great. Just need to watch out for those little paws, don't we, Hugo? Enzo's very gentle, he's just very, very heavy. And he still thinks he's a puppy, don't you, Enzo? He's such a sweetheart. And Hugo, how old's Hugo? 22 weeks, something like that. So I think he's going to probably be about the same size as Enzo. Different breeds. Enzo's an American Bulldog and Hugo is a Bull Mastiff. But similar in nature and in the way they play. And in beautifulness. Isn't that right? Both very beautiful. And Vinny's come in. Vinny is a Frenchie. Hi, Vinny. We love Vinny. Vinny is, hello, he's Hugo's brother at home. Aren't you, Vin? And he's absolutely fabulous. Beautiful social dog. He's lovely. And they're saying bye to Baby Bo. Baby Bo's waiting to go in his van to go home because it's 2 o'clock. Oh, he wants to play some more. Bo would stay here all day if he could, bless him. Are you having a fantastic time? And they're still at it in the corner. Oh, Enzo. Only you could manage that, Enzo. Such a sweetheart. Remy really likes Enzo, he's just not quite sure how to play with him, he's a bit much for him. That's my feet you're on now, dudes. You both weigh a ton.